Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect to Honda Pilot Bluetooth, full guide. Start by turning on your Pilot and tapping the Home button, then open Settings and select Bluetooth. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and look for the Pilot name under Available Devices. Tap the name and compare the numeric code shown on both screens, then accept the prompt to complete pairing before testing audio and calls. If pairing does not work, try simple fixes that usually help. Restart the Pilot infotainment system and reboot your phone to clear temporary glitches. Delete any old paired devices from the car to prevent conflicts, then retry pairing with only your phone active. Also check your phone software and Bluetooth settings for updates and permissions, and move away from other Bluetooth devices to reduce interference while you connect. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for road trips because it stays leak-proof and fits cup holders, making it handy when you drive the Pilot. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want a reliable bottle on your drives. Now let's get back to the video. For a smoother experience, tweak a few deeper settings after pairing. In Bluetooth options, choose whether audio or calls have priority and enable phonebook sync to see contacts and caller ID on screen. Confirm media audio permission so music plays through the car speakers. Learn how to use steering wheel controls for hands-free calls and track changes, and test voice commands to keep your focus on the road while staying connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.